Hi, good afternoon, sir. My name is Aprilin Disiba from BSA 3B. My insight about SEDDOC in Jonathan Jory is encouraged us to save biodiversity, that one seed at a time, reminding us that the plant support of human life depends on plant. No matter where we live, everything comes back to the plant. From conventional perspective, like food, medicine, construction, and clothing. So, seed talk is talk about climate change. Climate change that affect ability of seed to germinate, grow, and survive. Although climate change affect adult plants, grow and survive, seedlings are delicate and stressed from climate, and it can cause a high mortality of seeds. So many question that why we need to protect biodiversity of seed. Protecting biodiversity is not only a good for natural ecosystem, but also a communities that inhabit them. Nowadays, biodiversity of seed is critically important of human health, economies, and livelihood. Humans have caused the loss of 83% of all and wild animals and half of all our plants. So, how can people to stop climate change during we germinate our seeds? My insight of this is there are plenty other way to take a climate change, like buying and grow local food, use a renewable energy, that energy efficient appliance, insulate our homes, nurture and soils and grassland, run for our office and explore a high law of ways of capture and greenhouse gases, support support and research organization that can mobile more. So climate change is belong to I climate change are very very kuan kay siya sa ato ang as agriculture mao gid siya ang pinaka atong makuanan mura bitaw siya o kani atong mao ni atong pinaka disadvantage as a farmers. So there are type of technologies that will solve climate change during our agricultural problems, especially for me as a daughter of a farmers. So there are 5 steps to solve climate change in agricultural problems. So first is to till a farming. So mag-avoid ta sa atong tillage to keep moisture and organic matter and nutrients of the soil, making farm fields more fertile. So, i-fertile na to atong mga fertilizer. So, and second, heat tolerance and trade. Third is drought tolerance and maize. And fourth, crop protection. And the fifth is nitrogen use efficiency. So, according to Jonathan Jory is, yung question is, why we storing billions of seeds? It's because it now plants are under a threat naman siya sa ato, under threat naman din sa mga people nowadays. So they under threat because of changing a climate change, so ang a changing of climate, and they are also a threat because they are sharing a plant with people like us, and we people like us want to do things that destroy planets and their habitat. So ang tao na pud ang nakahimo o naka-destroy sa mga habitat sa plants, no, that whether that because of the food production. So it all human life depends on plant. Doesn't it make sense that perhaps we should try to save them? And the way that we save plant is storing sa seeds, kay mas daghan gid kayo ang mas maka-help ta sa atong biodiversity to storing seeds, because seeds in all their diversity is a glory of our plant to the future. So by storing seeds, we can help our community or biodiversity to makapreventa sa mga climate change nga ma-aware ta nga kani mali atong ginabuhat, kani makapreventa og climate change. So daghan kay maapektuhan ana ilabi na tong mga agriculture farmers. So that's all that my insight about Jonathan Jory for here. Sit brief talk from TED U 2009 by Why Restoring a Billions of Seeds. And that's all. Thank you.